Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Raya Legos is probably one of the most sought-after collectible items for fans of the Raya and the Last Dragon movie, offering a fantastic opportunity to recreate iconic scenes and characters from the beloved animated film. These intricate Lego sets are designed to spark creativity and provide hours of engaging fun for builders of all ages, making them a perfect addition to any Lego collection or a wonderful gift for a young enthusiast. With detailed minifigures and authentic set designs, you can bring the magic of Kumandra right into your home and embark on epic adventures with Raya and her loyal companions. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built replica is packed with authentic details to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a buildable Central Perk studio and a cast of your favorite characters. Includes Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, complete with cool accessories for role-playing. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect Friends memorabilia gift for fans. It's compatible with all LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters you already own. Create your own mashup models and unique stories with this versatile set. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift item will make a big impression. Display it proudly in any room or office. What we like. If you're a die-hard fan of a classic sitcom, this set is a must-have. It perfectly recreates the iconic coffee shop with all your favorite characters. If you love nostalgia and detailed display pieces, you should consider this. What people say. The Raya Lego set is a fantastic addition to any Lego collection, offering a unique building experience with intricate details. The set features several exclusive minifigures that are highly sought after by collectors. The play features are well integrated, allowing for imaginative storytelling and extended play sessions. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included to complete the crew. This starship is ready for action with a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for daring maneuvers. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements inside and a cozy sleeping area for your adventures. Recreate thrilling battles from the Mandalorian and the Child's journey. Use the included weapons to face off against the Scout Trooper and other formidable enemies. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is the perfect birthday present or any day gift for Star Wars fans aged 10 and up. It's an exclusive Amazon offering. What we like. For those who love space adventures and the hit series, this starship is a fantastic choice. It comes with key characters and cool play features like escape pods. If you're looking for a set that combines popular characters with exciting playability, you should consider this. What people say. The Raya Lego set is a fantastic addition to any Lego collection, featuring intricate details and vibrant colors that bring the world of Raya and the Last Dragon to life. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy pieces that fit together perfectly, ensuring a durable and enjoyable play experience for children and adults alike. This set includes several iconic characters from the movie, such as Raya, Sisu, and Tuk Tuk, each with unique accessories and articulation that allow for creative storytelling and imaginative play. Number 3. LEGO Disney Pixar Up House 43217. Bring the magic of a beloved movie to life with this incredible building set. It's packed with details to spark imagination and endless adventures. This set features a charming partial house with colorful balloons and various rooms. It includes beloved characters and accessories for exciting play scenarios. Join Carl, Russell, and Doug on exciting journeys. These iconic figures are ready for adventures both on land and among the clouds. This special set is part of a limited collection celebrating Disney's 100th anniversary. It's a perfect gift for fans of all ages, especially those who love creative play. Use the intuitive LEGO Builder app to guide your building experience. Zoom, rotate, and save your progress as you create this iconic movie house. With recognizable details and fun minifigures, this set encourages open-ended creative play. It's a fantastic way to build important life skills through fun. What we like. If you're a fan of heartwarming animated movies and creative storytelling, this set is for you. It captures the magic of a beloved film with its iconic house and characters. If you enjoy imaginative play and unique building experiences, you should consider this. What people say. The Raya Lego set is a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection, offering a unique building experience with its intricate details and vibrant colors. This set features several exclusive minifigures that are not available in other LEGO sets, making it a must-have for collectors. The playability of the Raya Lego set is excellent, with interactive elements and accessories that encourage imaginative storytelling and role-playing. Number 2. LEGO Disney Encanto The Madrigal House 43202. Step into the magical world of Disney's Encanto with this incredible LEGO building set. It's a faithful recreation of the iconic Madrigal family home, packed with fun details. This 587-piece set brings Mirabelle's vibrant, three-story house to life. Discover a spinning weather vane, a bed that flips, and shutters that wave hello. Designed for kids aged 6 and up, this toy includes multiple rooms and movie-accurate functions. You can visit the kitchen, enjoy a snack, and even see if the house waves back. The set comes with beloved characters like Abuela and Mirabelle Minibelle figures, plus Antonio Microdoll figure. You'll also find cute capybara and butterfly LEGO figures to join the fun. Inspire creativity with accessories like an accordion, gramophone, and umbrella. A sticker sheet is included to help you personalize and decorate the house. With detailed figures, charming creatures, and recognizable scenes, this buildable toy encourages open-ended imaginative play. It's perfect for extended adventures. This LEGO Disney's Encanto dollhouse is not only great for play but also looks fantastic on display. It makes an ideal gift for any young fan of the movie. What we like. This set is perfect for fans of magical musicals and vibrant family stories. It brings a beloved animated house to life with interactive features and charming characters. If you like detailed dollhouse-style play and celebrating unique family bonds, you should consider this. What people say. The Raya Lego set features intricate details and vibrant colors, making it a visually appealing display piece. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces, suitable for builders of various skill levels. The play features, such as movable wings and interactive accessories, enhance the imaginative play experience for children. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to embark on an epic building adventure. This is the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created, perfect for adult fans and master builders. Recreate legendary scenes with an incredible cast of minifigures. It comes with classic characters and those from the newer films, ready for any mission. Step inside and discover a detailed interior. You'll find a seating area, a holographic game, and an engineering station, plus hidden escape pod hatches. Admire the intricate exterior, featuring removable hull panels and a detailed cockpit. You can even reveal a concealed blaster cannon for added action. With its massive scale, this model is a stunning display piece for your home or office. It's over 33 inches long, making it a true centerpiece. This set is more than just a model, it's a collectible toy that brings the Star Wars saga to life. It's the perfect gift for any dedicated fan. What we like. For the ultimate Star Wars enthusiast and master builder, this is the pinnacle of Millennium Falcon models. It offers an incredibly detailed interior and exterior, with a challenging build for adults. If you're looking for a show-stopping display piece and an epic building challenge, you should consider this. What people say. The LEGO set is a great addition to my collection, with intricate details and a sturdy build. I love the unique design of this LEGO set, it's unlike anything I've seen before. The building experience was enjoyable, and the final product looks amazing on display. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.